Hi guys, good evening. You're welcome back to the channel today. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a video to your or an audio to your Canva video. I have my Canva opened and I have some videos from previous projects that I have worked on. So I'll just pop into one of those ones. So this is an example video that I have worked on. Let me just move this up here. So this is an example video that I have worked on in the past and you can see it. Now, how do I add an audio to this? There are two options. The first option we could explore is just searching for audio here. You search for audio. Let's say you get your audio file. Yes, or element, sorry. So you come to elements, search for audio. Now this, yes, so that's it. So you go to elements, you search for audio, you drag the audio into your video file, wherever you want it to start. So say this is where you want the audio to start playing. You have
Hey, you again, why so
that's it.
serious? I'll talk slow
So
if it
let
makes a
us stop
difference.
that. Let's go back. So just go to elements, search for audio, pick any of these audio files and drop them in your timeline. That works. Now recently the Canva Studio has also added a feature. You just come here, also search for audio, you browse audio, and you get a list of audio files that you can use for your videos. So all you just need to do is drop that in your timeline and you're good to go. So that pretty much also works. Now let's try something else. So let's say you don't want to use any of the the audio files on Canva. You go to uploads, you upload files, you go to your own video file. So I have a video file that I might want to add to the Canva studio. So let me try to drop that in a timeline. I'm trying to drop that in the timeline. Okay, I believe that should be here. No, that should be under my YouTube projects. Then we just look for the video audio and then drop that in the timeline. Now this is the audio file. So yeah, I drop it in the timeline. Gets uploaded and you do the same thing you've been doing for other audio files you've been uploading. You drag it into your timeline, you drop it there, you play it, and you get what you're looking for. So it's that simple, that straightforward. If you found value from this video, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. See you guys.